I think he put something on the seats, that's why. Yeah. Oh. Everyone says on this bike, innit? You ready? You ready? Look at it. I really want to filter through, but I'm so used to my bike. Yeah, but subconsciously my brain is like that. Subconsciously, like I think my bike's too narrow. Bro, the sticky throw is good, but look at this. Is it a? This van behind is a. Look at the mirror. The mirrors are so nice, but I don't like it in terms of filtering. The way I ride, I don't like these mirrors. Look at that. 125. Yeah. But I can see behind me. Ready? Come on, now already. Oh man, I want to filter, man. I can't filter. This bike's too wide. I don't want to take the risks. Yeah, the cops. Those cops are insane. Those brakes are flipping bad, bro. Car crash. There's an ambulance. The flip is down the road. You want more? Do one more and come back around. Yo, stop! Why are you turning left? I can go through here, but I can't see. Well, the mirrors are out of place. Yeah, I see the portion. Huh? Don't give me. Oops. Yeah. Come on, man. You know you can't beat me. Ready? You ready? Just so you know, I'm not doing full throttle. But I'm not doing full throttle when I'm accelerating in it. Sick in it. I'm not powerful. idiots. Yeah, look at that. Think they're pups though. These cars are not outpacing me, bro. Definitely need a boat. Yeah! I think they have road rage. Have to be careful here. Pups!